Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name's Alexis and I post 4 videos a week on a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday at 7 AM. So if you love a variety channel like this one and you want to see more videos, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you reorganising my wardrobe from summer to winter. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how I'm going to reorganise my wardrobe from summer to winter. So winter has definitely set in the UK. It has got colder now. There was a period where it wasn't sure whether it was going to get cold or not, but it has definitely got colder now. And I thought today that I would reorganise the wardrobe and take out my summer clothes and put in my winter ones. Lots of my winter ones are already in here, and as you can see this is a bit of a mess at the moment, so I definitely want to have a tidy up of this, and I want to put away my summer clothes and bring my winter ones in. And of course while I was doing it I thought I'd share what I do with you. So here is how I've reorganised my wardrobe from summer to winter. To start this process I'm removing most of my clothes from this wardrobe. There are clothes that I still like to keep in here even though I don't wear them, and I'll talk about that later in the video, but for now I'm removing most of the summer clothes, a few of the winter clothes as well, and I'm putting them into piles on the bed. So the summer clothes I'm putting into one pile, and then I'm making a pile of winter clothes, but I've also put some of the clothes in the middle as well. They're the ones I'm unsure whether I'm going to put back into the wardrobe or not. But yes, I'm doing this, and I like to do this at the end of every autumn and spring, because it helps me to know what I might need for the next season. I know that this season I'm going to need new jeans and a couple of new jumpers maybe as well, and that's it. But the rest can all go back into the wardrobe or back into the bottom drawer, and it just makes it really easy for me to see what I've got and what I haven't as well. So that's why I like doing this at the end of every season. Removing all of my winter clothes from the bottom drawer where they've been stored, and once that's done I'm then going to fold up all of my summer clothes, and I'm going to put the summer clothes back into the bottom drawer. I also like to store my Christmas jumpers in that drawer as well, so it is a bit of a tight squeeze, and I might have to think of a new system if I get any more summer clothes next year, but for now it seems to work, and I find it a great way to store my clothes. And it means that if I do need anything from my summer items, I can always go to my bottom drawer and find it. See, I've rolled all my clothes back up and I've put them in this spot here. This drawer is quite hard to open, but thankfully during the year I don't open it that much. I probably will open it a bit more in December to get my Christmas jumpers out, but in December I might actually just hang those on hangers in my wardrobe if I've got enough space. But yes, as you can see it's quite tightly compact in here. I am trying to think of a better system for these clothes, because they do tend to get, I mean, as I said, I don't really open the drawer that much during the year, but they are getting a bit compact in here, so I might actually start putting them into those bags that you can buy for the loft and things, and packing them down, because I don't really wear any of these during winter time. Oh, I might actually take that skirt back out though. See, this is what I do. Because this is quite nice with tights and a and I've got a black roll neck jumper now. That would look quite nice together on a pair of boots. So I'm going to take that back out. I'll move those over, and then that should create a bit more space. And yes, I'm going to close the drawer now, but as you can see, I have to tuck everything in. So yes, I'm going to move on to putting my winter clothes in my wardrobe now. As I said, I'm going to be putting my winter clothes into my wardrobe now. As you can see, I've still got some clothes hanging here. So I have my winter coats out already. They stay out all year. This is the lining for my coat downstairs. At the moment it's not really cold, but the temperature has dropped. So I do need a coat when I go out, but I've taken the lining out for now because, as I said, it's not that cold at the moment. I could take this jacket downstairs. This one is more of a spring autumn one, and maybe a summer one if it's a cooler evening. And then yeah, I've left these here because these are some of my nice dresses, and I don't really know what to do with these either. I mean, I don't wear them every day, but they do spark joy in me when I see them in the wardrobe. So I'm going to leave them here for now. And then I've got this tiny space here to put my winter clothes back in. Hopefully they fit. And also this is a box I keep in my wardrobe that we put old clothes that wear out in. These are a pair of jeans I bought from Topshop, and they got a massive hole right near the crotch. So I put them in there, and then we take that box to the recycling centre, and they have a clothes recycling in there. So yes, I'm really pleased with this box. We have recycled quite a lot of clothes, hopefully, if they've gone to the right places. So yes, really pleased with that. And yeah, as I said, I'm going to be putting my clothes back into that space now. As I just mentioned, I'm now going to be putting my winter clothes into my wardrobe. And as I mentioned earlier, this really did help me to see what I have and haven't got. I really do think I am going to need some new jeans this winter, and maybe some new jumpers and cardigans, but that's about it. It's actually like getting new clothes again when you empty your bottom drawer like that. I feel like I've just found loads of stuff I'd forgotten I'd had, and it's a really nice feeling to find clothes again. So I'm really looking forward to winter and wearing these clothes again now. My wardrobe tidied, so that's all of my winter stuff in my wardrobe now, and I'm really pleased. These drawers down here I did actually tidy up last time I tidied the wardrobe, which was in the summer, and I put in these baskets as well, and these seem to be working really well for me. So I've got my thick winter socks, and I've got some dinner socks and some summer socks. And I've just put in some t-shirts down here as well that wouldn't fit in that drawer. But yes, so that seems to be working really well at the moment. It looks a bit of a mess, but it's fine. It's my mess. And what I've done is I've put in some spare coat hangers into my wardrobe, because there is some stuff in the washing that will need to go into this wardrobe. So it's not completely finished, but it's done for now, and everything that I need in for winter is in here, so I'm really pleased with this. And finally, I'm just moving on to reorganising the chest of drawers in our bedroom as well. So these two drawers here also hold my clothes. So in this drawer it holds my t-shirts and my gym wear, so I'm just tidying this up. It does tend to get quite messy in this drawer. I must admit I'm not very good at keeping this drawer tidy, and I can't seem to think of a new system to store these clothes either. So for now, this is the best I have, so I'm just going to keep tidying it, but by tidying it does help me to see what I have and haven't got. So I know that I've got enough long sleeve t-shirts for this period, but I might need some more cardigans. I'm definitely going to buy a couple of cardigans in the next few weeks. At the moment the weather in the UK is cold, but it's still quite mild, so it's definitely long t-shirt and cardigan weather. So yes, this did help me to see what I did and didn't need. And then next I'm going to be moving on to the drawer underneath this one, not the bottom drawer, but the drawer underneath. and that holds my jumpers in that drawer. And I did get rid of a jumper today. I washed it quite a few times. It was a fat face jumper and it just didn't really wash too well, I have to say, unfortunately. So I'll probably end up giving that to the recycling rather than a charity shop because it didn't go through the washing machine too well. But as you can see now, I'm just folding up these jumpers and tidying this drawer as well. Reorganised my sportswear and my t-shirts, and I do generally sometimes wear my t-shirts during winter, so I do want to leave these in this drawer. I don't want to put them away. I sometimes wear them under cardigans with jeans and things, or I've got some zip up hoodies that I'll wear those under as well, so I definitely want to keep my t-shirts out. Some days the weather is slightly warmer, so you don't always need like a jumper. You just need a t-shirt and a cardigan, and also these are great for spring as well, so I'm definitely going to leave those in there. And then in this drawer here I have all my winter jumpers. There is a space because I have some washing downstairs that needs to go in, but I have tidied and reorganised this. I've also got rid of one. I haven't been sure about this jumper for a while. It was from Fat Face, I think, and I put it through the washing machine and it never looked the same again. So I think I might donate that to charity, or I might take that to recycling, I'm not sure yet. But yeah, I've definitely got rid of something this time. So yes, I have some space to put new jumpers in here and some washing in there as well. But that is all clean and tidy and organised as well. That's my wardrobe reorganised, and I'm really pleased with the way it's turned out. It looks really tidy again now, and I can find all of my winter clothes. That's my wardrobe all winter ready, and I'm really pleased with the finished results. It all looks really neat and tidy in here, and I can finally find my clothes again, so this pleases me. Let me know in the comments below if you've been getting winter ready. I would love to hear from you, and please don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again very soon. Bye!